Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Fahad. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful interactive tab using Elementor Page Builder. So here you see on the left you can see all the tab items. If I click on any tab, the image is changing with a beautiful fade-in effect. Here we can see all the details about this car within this beautiful table. So I will show you everything. Just like if I click on this tab item, you see everything is changing. All the information are changing accordingly. So I will show you everything, how to create these tabs, how to design this table, how to make all of a mobile responsive, everything. And another interesting thing is we will be using only Elementor free version and we don't require any kind of custom coding. So without further ado, let's now go inside Elementor Page Builder. So right now we are inside of Elementor Page Builder and I will of course show you how to create this beautiful interactive tab from scratch. But before that, I wanna show you another quick way. Let's say if you don't wanna follow this whole tutorial, you want this interactive tab instantly on your website within few seconds, then I have got one way for you. You can just go to kitpapa.com. By the way, first of all, let me introduce you to the kitpapa.com. Here basically you will find all the ready Elementor kits. Let's say if you're looking for any restaurant website or any medical website or any business or agency website, you can just go through all of these categories or you can browse all the template kits from this place. For example, if you just go inside of this kit, here you can see all the details about this template kit. Also here you will find the installation guide. And here you've got another interesting thing. So if you wanna check the website up front, just click on live demo. So within this iframe you can check if it's the perfect website for yourself or not. Also if you want, you can check the responsive view like this. Alright, so let's go back to Kitpapa's homepage, and here you can easily search for tab me. Let's search it, and here you go. It's our tab me Elementor interactive tab. And like I said, of course I will show you how to do it from scratch, but it's for who wanna make it really faster within few seconds. Okay, so let's just go inside of this page, and here you see you can check all the details from here, and its price is only $3.99, so it's pretty affordable. And just after purchasing this template, you will basically get this zip file. Now I'm also showing you how you can use this zip file to create this beautiful interactive tab. Okay, so let's go inside Elementor Page Builder. By the way, here before doing any other thing, you just need to do one simple settings from your WordPress dashboard. So from your WordPress dashboard, go under Elementor settings here. Now go to features, and you know we will be using Elementor Flex container. So from here, make sure your Flexbox container option is activate, and also here another option, it says nested elements. Make sure it's also activated. Let's now scroll down and click on Save Changes. Let's now go back inside of Elementor Page Builder, and from here click on this folder icon. Now from here click on this top arrow icon, and here you may remember you have just purchased this zip file. First of all, you need to unzip it, and within that you will find a JSON formatted file here. Let's just drag and drop this file inside here in this place, and you will get to see this name. It says Elementor Interactive Tab 001. So from here let's just click on this insert button and then click on apply, and boom, we can see the interactive tab instantly here within our Elementor Page Builder. So you see you can change all these tab items name from left side. For example, if you want to change it, you can just change it from here. You can change the second item's name from here. So you can control everything from inside Elementor Page Builder. Also if you want to change this image, just click over this image. You know you can change the image from this place, and if you want you can change all of these table elements. Actually these are just simple heading elements. Just click over there, you see you can change them from this place. So everything is 100% editable without any custom code. And like I said, taking this tab me template is completely optional because I will be showing you everything from scratch. So if you don't want to purchase it, it's completely fine. Just follow me through this whole tutorial. You can achieve this same thing. Okay, so right now I'm deleting it from here. So click on this X to delete it. Alright, let's now create our interactive tab from scratch. So here, first of all, I wanna take a container, click on this plus icon, and here I'm taking this column based container here. And I just wanna make the justify content to centered and align items to centered, so all the inner elements will be vertically and horizontally centered. Okay, and I wanna add some padding at the top and bottom, so let's go under advanced tab, unlink the padding. Here at the top I'm adding 100 and at the bottom I'm adding 100 pixel of padding. Now here within I wanna add some heading, so click on this plus icon. Here I'm dragging this heading element and I just want it to say vehicle models. Let's now make the alignment to centered and let's do a little bit of styling. So from here let's make the text color to black, and from here I'm just making its font family to rubric, then font size to 24 pixel, just like this. And let's now simply duplicate it, and I want it to say our rental fleets. And you know what, I just wanna change the typography, so from here I'm just making it to Poppins, and also let's just make it really big, so for the pixel, and here font weight let's make it 700. Now underneath that, here I just wanna add some text, so from here I'm just pasting here some dummy text and I wanna make its alignment to centered. Alright, now underneath this paragraph I wanna use a tab, but before that I wanna show you one thing. So first of all, let me just update or save this page, and if I now go back to our WordPress dashboard, and here from under Elementor settings, let's now go under features tab, and from here, like I said, we have enabled our flexbox container, and also we need to enable the nested elements. For example, if I just disable the nested elements, so from here if I just make it to inactive, and let's now click on save changes. Now let's go inside of Elementor page builder, and if I now just refresh the Elementor page builder, have a look here. Okay, so I'm just searching for the tab widget from left side, so here is our tab. Let's now drag this tab right underneath of this paragraph here in this place. So here we can see the traditional tab. So here is the tab item 1, here is the tab item 2. Also you can make their alignment to left aligned or right aligned like this. But here if I open the tab items, so here I'm opening the tab 1 item, you see we can only insert text item within each tabs. Okay, so we have no freedom here. So for example, if you wanna design multiple containers, I mean inner containers, and if you wanna add images, you got my point, right? So you have not much control over here. Actually, that's the reason we will be using the nested elements. Okay, so for now let's just save it, and if I now go back to our WordPress dashboard, now from here, from under Elementor settings, from under features tab, let's now enable the nested elements from here. So I'm selecting the active. Let's now click on save changes, and here I'm going back inside Elementor page builder. Let's now refresh it again as we have enabled the nested elements. So this was the previous tab, and now we have enabled Elementor's nested elements. So this time here I'm searching for tab. Let's now drag this tab right underneath here, and you see this nested elements tab has all the options we need. So here we can see the tab controls, and here you can see this plus icon. So by clicking on this plus icon, we can create any kind of structure we want underneath any tab. So I will show you everything step by step, no worries. But first of all, let's just delete the previous tab. So from here, let's just delete it. And here I wanna start working with this new tab. Okay, so first of all, I just wanna make this tab controls to the left side. So to do it, from direction, you can just make it to the left side like this. Also there are more options, like you can make it from bottom or from top like this. I just wanna make it directions to left, and I just wanna make the align titles from left side like this. And now first of all, let's just keep two items here, tab items. So I'm just deleting third one, and I'm opening the first tab option, and I wanted to say a car name. Okay, for example, here I'm just writing Audi A1 S line. Then the second one may be VW Golf 6. Now before doing any other thing, I just wanna design these tab items. So first of all, let's just go under its style tab. Now from here on tabs hover state and the active state, I just wanna change this color code, so it would be hash FF4D30. So I just wanna copy this color code from here because I wanna apply it also on active mode. So here I'm just pasting the color code here. And then I wanna work with their typography. So from here open the titles, and from the typography I just wanna change the font family to Poppins font, font size to 18 pixel, and here font weight to 700. And then from here on the normal state, I just wanna change their color to hash 222222. Alright, I'm pretty happy with this tabs designing. Let's now create our first tab content here within this area. Okay, so let's click on this plus icon, and here I wanna take these two container structure, this one. So let's first start with the left container. Let's select it, and you know what, I just wanna make its width to 68%. Also let's make its justify content to centered, align items to centered. And here I just wanna insert an image. So let's click on this plus icon, and here I'm dragging the image widget. Let's now select the image. So I'm just selecting this audio image. Let's select it. And here with this right container, I wanna design that beautiful table where we will have all the information about this Audi car. Okay, so first of all, I'm selecting this right inner container, this one, and as we have set this left containers width to 68%, that's why I'm just selecting this right container, and I wanna make its width to 32%. Now first within this right container, I wanna take an inner container. So click on the plus icon, and here I'm dragging this container here within this place. And first of all, let's make sure you have selected this inner container. From here I just wanna make its direction to row, and then both the justify content and align items to centered. And then I wanna give it the same background color. So go under style tab, from here background color, let's just paste the color code, and then here within let's now drag this heading element here, and I just want it to say $, then $45. Let's now do a little bit of styling. So here I'm making its color to white color, and then you know we can just make its family to Poppins font, and here I'm making it to 26 pixel, and here font weight to 700. Now we can just simply duplicate it. So let's now duplicate it. You see they are now one after another horizontally. That's because of we have made its parent. Let's now go to its layout. You see we have made its direction to row. If we made its direction to column, the inner headings, they are appearing here one after another vertically, but I don't want that. I want them to appear one after another horizontally. That's why I have made their parent direction to row. Okay, so here with this second one, I just wanted to say rent per day, and of course I just wanna reduce its font size. So let's make it to 16 pixel, and also I'm just making its weight to 500. Alright, now right after this I wanna take another inner container. So let's now click on this Rubik's Cube icon. Here I'm dragging this container underneath here in this place. By the way, here I just wanna do another thing. You see the space in between these two heading is huge, so I just wanna reduce it. So let's select this parent container, this one, I mean their wrapped container, this one, and here the default gap in between the elements is 20, so I just wanna make it to 10. So they're now looking perfect. Okay, so underneath you may remember we have just taken another inner container. So let's select this one. I also wanna make its direction to row and their align items to centered. Now I just wanna add some border with its left, right and bottom. So let's now go under its style tab. From here open the border, and here border type I wanna make it to solid, and here first of all let's take 1 pixel of width. But now I'm just unlinking it because at the top I don't need it. So here at the top I'm making it to 0 pixel. So right now if I just minimize it, you can see it, the border is now added with the right, left and bottom, but at the top there is no border. Okay, so let's now open it. Actually I want to add some space within this container as well, so go under advanced tab, and here I'm adding 15 pixel of padding, but actually let's just unlink it, because at the right and left I'm making it to 10 pixel of padding like this. Now here within this container, click on this plus icon. Here I'm dragging the heading element, and first of all I just want it to say model, and let's now do a little bit of styling. But first of all I'm just making their alignment to centered. Now let's go under the style tab. From here I'm making its color to #222 and then from typography let's just make it to Poppins font, and here font size I just wanna make it really small, so maybe 14 pixel, and here the default font weight it's 400, but I just wanna make it to 400. Okay, just like this. And now I just wanna duplicate this heading, so let's just duplicate it, and instead of a model actually I just want it to say, for example, Audi. And now within this two heading at the middle place, I mean in between these two heading, I wanna add a divider. Okay, so from here let's just search for divider, or we can find the divider here. So I'm dragging this divider in between these two headings here in this place. So here at the middle of these two heading here in this place, you see. But actually here, okay, let's first design this divider. So first of all I just want to make its width in pixel, and I'm making it to 24 pixel, and I want to make its alignment to centered. Now let's go to its style tab, and the default black color is fine. I just want to make its width to 1.2, and the gap, actually I don't want any gap, so we can make it to 0. And here I just wanna do another interesting thing. You see the divider by default it's looking like it, but I wanna make it look like a pipe, so it would be vertically like this. So to make it, let's now go under its advanced tab, and from here let's open the transform and open the rotate. I just wanna make it to be rotated in 90 degree, so here I'm giving the value to 90. You see it's now just rotated 90 degree, and it's looking like a vertical divider. Isn't it cool? And also here I wanna do another thing. So from here let's open the layout, and here width I just wanna set it as inline. Okay, also with these headings, I mean with this left heading and right heading, we have made them centered. Like if I select the first heading and go under its content tab, you see we have made it centered, but it's left aligned here, because actually we need to make them within a width. So let's just select this first heading, go under its advanced tab. From here the width, from under advanced tab I'm making this width to custom, and here I'm just making it to 50%. Okay, so let's do the same with this heading. Select it from under its advanced tab, let's make the width to custom width, and I'm also making it to 50%. So right now they are looking perfect. And here I can see one little problem, which is we can see a space at the top. So actually we can just select the parent container, this right container here, and from this place if we just make the gap between elements to 0, so there is no space in between here. Very easy. And now you know I just wanna duplicate this inner container a couple more time like this. Let's just duplicate it, and I just wanna duplicate it a couple more time like this. And then I'm just changing this heading, also this heading. So I'm changing all these headings really quickly, and I'm coming back to you. Alright, so I have changed all this content, and now right underneath of this table I wanna add a button. So click on the Rubik's Cube icon, and here is the button widget. Let's now drag this button underneath here at this place. So here we've got our button, and you know I just want it to say, for example, reserve now. and I wanna make its alignment to justified like this, so it takes all its width. Now let's do a bit of styling. So from under style tab, so let's open the typography. I just wanna change its font family to Rubik. Let's make it to 18 pixel and here font weight to 600. Then from here the background color, let's just make it to the same orangish color, so FF4D30. And on hover, let's go on hover state. Actually I wanna use the same background color like this. Let's just paste the color code, but I wanna make it a bit darker. Okay, so I'm dragging this bar to the bottom left like this. So just have a look here. Right now it's looking like it, and if I hover here, the color is becoming a bit darker like this. And then from here I just wanna remove all the border radius, so I'm making it to 0, and here padding, let's just make it to 16 pixel. Also we can add a bit of box shadow here, so let's open the box shadow, and from here I'm just making the horizontal and vertical value to 4, and let's also make the blur value to 0. And here the color, I just wanna make it really transparent, something like 0.1 like this. And you see there is no breathing space at the top of this button, so let's go under advanced tab. Let's unlink the margin at the top. I'm just adding 20 pixel of margin like this. So we are almost done with the layout. I just want to add some animation. So first of all, let's select this image, go under its advanced tab, and with the image let's open the motion effects. From here with this image I just wanna add the fading animation like this, and with this whole right container, so let's select this right container, and from under advanced tab let's open the motion effects. Here I just wanna add pulse effect, so from here I'm searching for pulse. Here we go, let's select the pulse, so it's the pulse effect here. Okay, so in the same way we will be creating all the tabs, items, and all other images under any of this tab, and also we need to create all the table items in the same way. And you know, we can just simply duplicate it, so all this will be duplicated there. So then we can easily change the image, and we can easily change all these items from this place. But before doing that, actually we need to make sure how it's looking on mobile device and tablet device. So we need to make sure about its responsiveness. Okay, so in the desktop we are already seeing it's looking great, but I wanna check its responsiveness from tablet and mobile. So from here let's click on the responsive mode and go to the tablet view. On the tablet view we need to do a little bit of work. So first of all, okay, let's select this parent container of this tab from this place. So instead of row, I wanna change its direction to column like this. And also let's change the align items to centered, so they are now centered horizontally like this. And also let's select this parent container of this right container. Actually it were on the right side on desktop, but it's now at the bottom. So just select the parent container from this place, and here go under layout, and I just wanna change its width. So first of all, make sure you have selected the percent, and I'm making its percentage to 80% like this. So on the tablet device it's also looking great. And let's now go to mobile device. So on the mobile device, let's scroll down. I think we need to do a little bit of work, because I think we can just reduce the width of this heading. So just select it, go under advanced tab, and from here, first of all, you see we have given it custom width. So here on the mobile device, let's give it in percentage, and instead of 50 I just want to give it to 35%. So same with all of this heading, and you know, you can do the simple thing, you can just right click over this heading. Now let's copy it, and with this one right click over here, because I also want to make its width to 35%, so we don't need to do it manually one by one. We can just right click over here and click on paste style, not paste, just click on paste style. You see it's adjusted. So here I'm just right clicking here and click on paste style, also with this one. So I'm just doing the same thing with all of these headings. Okay, So it's also fixed on the mobile device, also on the tablet device, and for sure on the desktop device. Now let me show you very quickly how you can create more tab items here and more elements here on the tab contents area. Okay, so first of all, let's just select this whole tab by clicking on this pencil icon. So we can see all the tab options here. Just go under content tab, we can see all the tab contents here. So we have made actually this first option, it says Audi A1 S line. We have made this one, but the second one actually I just want to delete it first. So let's delete it because I just want to duplicate the first option. So if I duplicate this one from this place, so all will be duplicated. I mean, all the thing we have done, we have made everything mobile responsive, so we don't need to do anything manually with each of them. So we have done all the hard part before. Now we just need to duplicate it and we need to change the content. So I'm just giving you one simple example. So from left side, if I just duplicate it, you see it's duplicated here instantly. And if you want to change its name, so here I just want it to say, for example, VW and let's say Golf 6. And now for this tab item, I just wanna change this image. So let's select it, and from here I'm just selecting another image. So I'm just selecting this VW. Let's select it, and here you can change all these elements from here. So instead of 45, I just wanna make it to $37 rent per day. Also here model, instead of Audi, I just want it to say Golf 6. Like this, you can change all these contents from this place. So similarly, you can just go back to the tabs by clicking here. You can just duplicate this one as well. You can change the image of that car and all the information of that car within this table. So of course, I don't want to make you bored, so I'm just doing it really quickly and I'm coming back to you. So here I have added all the tab elements, I have added all the inner images and all the details of these cars. So if I now just minimize the bar from left side, so you can see it properly. Just have a look now. If I select this tab, we can see everything is changing here. So similar with all of this, so it's working perfectly. I hope you have learned something new today. If you like it, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also press on that notification bell icon to get notified before anyone whenever I will upload a new video on this YouTube channel. Also, if you want me to help you on your WordPress project or Elementor project, then you can contact me through my website, that's jimfahaddigital.com. I will try my best to help you personally. Once again, thank you so much for watching this full tutorial. I want to see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.